myself Tushar Mahanwar. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Negi and Resonance Energy for giving such an opportunity to represent Valmet in front of all these industry leaders. So, Valmet, we are manufacturers of we are having different business verticals. We are having different business verticals, like from the paper, pulp, energy, then from the mining, then we are in the flow controls as well. Valmet is having almost 225 years of experience. We have started with the different mills. Right now we are having good experience in the flow control solutions as well. We are providing cutting edge technologies and solutions to the different process industries as well. We are having expertise of more than 19,000 of technical experts we are having. We are serving in more than 110 countries. Then we are having our offices and manufacturing facilities of more than 40 countries. So here we are representing our one of the product portfolio, like that is wall controls and actuators. So here you can see we are having a range of actuators which can be mounted on different types of wall, like ball walls, butterfly walls, or linear walls. So these types of actuator we are manufacturing, like pneumatic actuators in terms of rack and pinion mechanism, scotch yoke mechanism, and we are also producing the linear actuators as well. And wall controllers also we are making, like right from the limit switches to positioners, we are manufacturing that. And while providing all these wall automation solutions, we are giving one standard instrumentation package as well. So in this standard instrumentation package, it was duly certified with by our engineers, and that was available for the customers to get it selected through one to the software which are provided by the Valmet as only. And so considering the agenda of this today, like we are focusing towards the safety. So for the pipeline, we are recommending to use this gas overall type of actuators, because you know, our conventional actuators like pneumatic actuators or hydraulic actuators, they are requiring the external energy, like air from the compressors, then oil from the power packs. So these gas overall actuators utilizes the energy from the gas pipeline itself. So this gas pipeline is having the gas inside the pipeline that we are using to turn the wall on and off. So we are anyway going towards the sustainability. So what benefits gas overall actuators providing to all of the industry is, like we are providing very rugged and rugged and modular design as compared to the competitors. Then we are providing the API 6DX compliant as well. Then the product is very proven. We are serving this product to the industries like natural gas transmission lines, cross-country pipelines, like then compressor stations, then city gas distribution stations, SV stations, pigging stations. So all these applications we are already providing our gas overall actuators. That's why we are already, we can say that it's a proven product. And with the unified design and global service presence, we can easily provide the any type of services to the customers. So this is how gas overall actuator is mainly preferable for the gas pipelines. So here you can see these are our some applications, like we have provided gas overall actuators to different SV stations, then city gas distributions, then we have also provided these actuators with the solar panels as well. So for example, if you want to select any actuator which is having energy efficient capability, like that actuator is taking the energy from the pipeline and making the wall converted from open to close within a second, then I would like to prefer this type of actuator for all the gas pipelines and city gas distribution centers. And just Das sir, for your in one input from our side, from Valmet side, like you know, what we are facing, like we are delivering this actuator as per customer requirement. But generally what happened, these actuators are getting installed after 2 to 3 years on the site. And because of that, and also the site conditions are not that much good, due to which that, you know, all the what I can say, the breakage and all the damages are happening to the actuators. So it will be helpful to, manage these things so that we can able to deliver the proper or the competent actuator and without any failure to the customer. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Electronic cards are getting damaged and all. So this is like a part CPM, like when the activity should be aligned.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Before the UPS comes, my foundation should be ready.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
UPS has come up from Gujarat or whatever maybe, and foundation is coming after 1.5 years.
Okay.
So those things, that entity has to take the responsibility, or the respective consultant or the PMCs who are doing the designing of the construction of the project.
Okay.
Anyway, if any something under regulations are there, we will take care of it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah, and one of the most important part I would like to highlight here, for example, in case of any catastrophic failure in the pipeline, yeah, that, the gas leakage is happening. In that case, we are providing different instruments in our actuator, which can detect that leakage, and it will automatically shut off your valve to close. So that's why it is towards the sustainability and towards the safety of the atmosphere. Sorry? Yeah, 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 yeah. Point. Okay. Yeah. Then thank you.